Question: what is data encapsulation? Data encapsulation is defined as the process of hiding the important flows from the end user. In the above example, we had used getters and setters to set value for min salary. The idea behind this is that private field minimum salary in quote is an important part of our classes. If we give a third party code to have complete control over the field without any validation, it can adversely affect the functionality. This is in line with the OOPS concept that an external user should know about what an object does. How it does it should be decided by the program. So if a user sets a negative value for min salary, we can put a validation in the set method to avoid negative values as shown below. Set curly bracket open if bracket open value is greater than 0 bracket close curly bracket open min salary equals value colon bracket close curly bracket close curly bracket close. Question: explain inheritance in C#. In object-oriented programming (OOP), inheritance is a way to reuse code of existing objects. In inheritance, there will be two classes, base class and derived classes. A class can inherit attributes and methods from existing class called base class or parent class. A class which inherits from a base class is called derived classes or child classes. For more clarity in this topic, let us have a look at two classes shown below. Here, class car is base class and class Ford is derived class. Class car, curly bracket open, public car, bracket open, bracket close, curly bracket open, console.writeLine, bracket open, quote open, base class car, quote close, bracket close, colon, curly bracket open, public void, dry type, bracket open, bracket close, curly bracket open, console.writeLine, bracket open, quote open, right hand drive, quote close, bracket close, colon, curly bracket close, curly bracket close. Class Ford. Class Ford, colon, car, curly bracket open, public Ford, bracket open, bracket close, curly bracket open, console.writeLine, bracket open, quote open, derived class Ford, quote close, bracket close, colon, curly bracket close, public void, price, bracket open, bracket close, curly bracket open, console.writeLine, bracket open, quote open, Ford, price, colon, $100K, quote close, bracket close, colon, curly bracket close, curly bracket close. When we execute following lines of code, Ford car, Ford equals new Ford, bracket open, bracket close, colon, car Ford dot drive type, bracket open, bracket close, colon, car Ford dot price, bracket open, bracket close, colon, semicolon. Output generated is given as below. Base car, drive class Ford, right hand drive, Ford price is 100 colon $100K. What this means is that all the methods and attributes of base class car are available in derived class Ford. When an object of class Ford is created, constructors of the base and derived class get invoked. Even though there is no method called derived type method in class 4, we are able to invoke method because of inheriting base class methods to derived class. Question: can multiple inheritance implemented in C#? In C#, derived classes can inherit from one base class only. If you want to inherit from multiple base classes, use interface. What is polymorphism in C#? The ability of a programming language to process objects in different ways depending on their data type or class is known as polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism, best example is overloading. Runtime polymorphism, best example is overriding.